Introducing the GreenPan stainless steel 8-in-1 skillet grill and slow cooker, a kitchen marvel that's about to revolutionize your cooking game. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore how this multifunctional wonder can transform your cooking experience. Let's dive right in. Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen appliances while preparing a meal for your family? Well, the GreenPan stainless steel 8-in-1 skillet grill and slow cooker might just be the solution you've been searching for. With its 8-in-1 functionality, this kitchen powerhouse combines various cooking techniques into a single, sleek device. 2-in-1 design, grill and griddle plate. Whether you're in the mood for a sizzling steak or some perfectly cooked eggs for breakfast, the Bistro multi-skillet has you covered. Its versatile grill and griddle plate allow you to easily switch between cooking methods, making meal preparation a breeze. The innovative Thermolon Volt coating ensures that your cooking surface remains spotless and ready for action, even after the most demanding culinary endeavors. Multiple plates, lids, and inserts, quick and even heating. With its spacious 6.5-quart bowl, this multi-skillet is designed to handle everything from family-sized meals to slow-cooking marathons. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked dishes. This kitchen marvel ensures that your food is cooked to perfection every time. The extra-large design means you'll never have to worry about overcrowding your skillet. Whether you're preparing a hearty stew or a slow-cooked masterpiece, there's always enough room. Effortless presets, one-touch cooking. Navigating the GreenPan stainless steel 8-in-1 skillet grill and slow cooker is a breeze, thanks to its extra-large controls and vibrant LED display. Finding the perfect cooking setting for your meal has never been easier. With just the press of a button, you can whip up a gourmet feast. 8-in-1 design, versatile cooking options. This kitchen wizard can do it all. Steam, saute, stir-fry, grill, cook rice, stew, slow cook, and keep your dishes warm. Whether you're in the mood for a quick stir-fry or a leisurely stew, the GreenPan skillet grill and slow cooker delivers delicious results every time. Free of toxins, Thermolon Volt, safety and health-conscious cooks will appreciate the diamond-infused ceramic nonstick surface. Thermolon Volt. This coating is specially designed for kitchen appliances and is entirely free of toxins, including PFOS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. Cooking with peace of mind has never been this easy. Cleaning up is a breeze thanks to the removable pot, which is dishwasher safe, and the non-stick surfaces that easily wipe clean, even those stubborn caramelized sauces. Here are some additional features that make this multi-skillet a must-have. Powerful heating base for quick cooking. Stainless steel steamer rack for healthy meal options. Removable pot reveals a grill and griddle plate for added versatility. Tempered glass lid seals in flavor and allows you to monitor your food. Large, easy grip handles for safe transport. In summary, the GreenPan stainless steel 8-in-1 skillet grill and slow cooker is a game changer for anyone who loves to cook. Its multifunctional design, toxin-free cooking surface, and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just getting started in the kitchen, this skillet grill and slow cooker combo will take your culinary creations to the next level. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and endless piles of dishes. This appliance does it all. But don't just take our word for it, try it for yourself. Elevate your cooking experience and impress your family and friends with delicious meals created effortlessly with the GreenPan stainless steel 8-in-1 skillet grill and slow cooker. Your taste buds will thank you. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to unlock a world of culinary possibilities with the GreenPan 8-in-1 skillet grill and slow cooker. Order yours today and embark on a cooking adventure like never before.